The bail application of the woman who allegedly stole 4 million rand from her employer's security depot continued today. Nqobile Madlala was expected or was back in the Alexandra Magistrates Court. eNCA's Nqobile Madlala has the latest on that story. I beg your pardon. Nqobile, she was in court today, expected to apply for bail, and then what transpired?
Well, it was very brief. In fact, we heard from the state lawyer saying that the applicant has now abandoned her bail, and as a result, then she was given the 18th of February, where she will be moving to a different court. Now, it is expected that on the 18th, there will be more information unveiling on the day to basically explain whether from there they are going to trial or more investigations need to happen before they go to trial. So very brief there, but Nqobile saying from what we're hearing from sources, they're saying that the instruction did come from the applicant Nqobile Madlala. So we are yet to find out more. We are of course calling the NPA to find out what is going on, but once we know more, then we'll give you more details.
I suppose it might be an indication that she realized bail might be a tough ask, considering she'd been on the run since 2019.
Well, 2 years, that's indeed a long time to look for a person. And we have seen from the past and reports as well, some of the people even going as far as saying that she hasn't lived in the same address. Now, we did look for her when we did look for her family, where we also were told that she is living, of course, where she was found. Now, we do understand that those are two different addresses from where she first grew up and the place where she was working, but of course that can be that can be contested in terms of that is where she was working, but of course that is a different address. And in terms of bail application, we were already expecting that the NPA be opposing bail because of the different addresses, but of course we'll get more details from them in terms of whether or not they were planning to oppose that bail application. But we do know that she had lived in different places for quite some time and while being looked for in that 2 years.
All right, Nqobile, we're going to have to cut our discussion short. We've got a live event to go to, but thank you, Nqobile Madlala.